Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rougisto. So I'm making crab boils today. So this is all the ingredients you will need. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and let's get into this cooking. So I'm gonna show you step by step. This is my way of making it. Okay guys, first thing you will need, I'm gonna season this water so I can boil the corn, the crab's leg, the shrimp, the eggs, the sausage, and the potatoes. And don't forget to check my description box. All the ingredients and the measurement will be listed down below. And let's get started, guys. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon parsley flakes. I have this crab, fish, shrimp, and crab boil in the bag. So you see how it comes in, guys. So I'm just gonna grind it. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon and a half in here. Okay guys, you see it. Now I'm gonna add my onion and my garlic. I'm gonna add half of this. We're gonna need the other half later, so just bear that in mind. This is 2 onions, so I'm gonna need this later. I'm gonna save some of that for later. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of blended garlic. I'm gonna add the scallion. You don't have to add this, this is optional. Salt. Yep guys, can you see the color already? Guys, you know how us African, how we are, right? We need our jimbo. I'm gonna add 1 bouillon cube, oh, I almost forgot about my black pepper, guys. You need black pepper in there. So all the measurement, I only use 1 tablespoon, so you got the gist, right? And we're gonna use all this later too, after we're done boiling everything. So now I'm just gonna let this boil before I start adding in the stuff. So let me cover that. It's gonna take maybe 5 minutes for it to start boiling. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in the potatoes. I just cut them in half. The corn. Yep, this is it for now. I'm gonna cover it for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna be back with the rest. Hey guys, so I'm going to check, see if it have cooked through, but it feels still hard a little bit. So yeah, but the potatoes are almost done. So I'm going to add in the eggs. Don't worry guys, these are washed. Everything here is washed already. So I'm going to add the eggs in and let it boil for 7 minutes. Okay guys, I'm about to take the corn and the potatoes out. See? Even the eggs. It has cooked through. So I'm gonna add the sausage in.
That's cool on the beat.
I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna come and take them out so I can add in the shrimp and the crabs. So I'm gonna put the lid on for 10 minutes.
That's cool on the beat.
Hey guys, I'm going to take the sausage out. So when I take this out, I'm gonna add in the crabs and the shrimps. And I don't wanna overcook the shrimp, so I just have this lemon and lime. I'm just gonna add that in there. So I'm gonna put in the crabs and the shrimp, like so. Like that. So I'm gonna let this boil for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna be back with the rest of the ingredients, guys. So let's just, I'm gonna cover this like so. Hey guys, this is done. You see the color? This is what we love. So I'm gonna put this aside and start with my butter sauce. Butter sauce, I have a pan there. So I'm gonna add my butter, 1 cup. So I'm gonna add in all the other seasoning that we add before. So I'm gonna put my heat on low. So I'm just gonna let it melt first before I add the onions and the other seasoning. I'm gonna add the onion. Scallions, garlic, 1 tablespoon, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, paprika, 1 tablespoon, cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon. You don't want it too hot, the kids. Chili powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley. So I'm gonna add in the crab boil seasoning that I blended earlier. So I'm gonna add that in. Yeah, my heat is on low. That's 1.5 that I added in here. My heat still on low. I'm just gonna mix this for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna mix it all in the plastic bag. I'm gonna put it in the oven like for 10 minutes so all the seasoning can soak in, like can get in the corn, crab, shrimps, so everything can marinate. Guys, tastes really good. Okay guys, I'm going to add all this in this bag right here. Then I'm going to add this in. Okay guys, this is it. I'm done mixing all the seasoning, so I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes, then I'm gonna take it out. It will be done, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the finished look of my crab boil. I hope you guys had fun watching it with me. Don't forget to check my description box. All the ingredients and the measurement are listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. And this is some of the garlic butter sauce that I made, so if you open the crab you can just dip it in there and woo! Look at this guys. Try the ingredients. They are very easy and good, very easy to make guys. Anybody can make this. Just watch the video through where I did not skip anything. I showed you step by step how I made everything. You just boil, then you make the sauce, you mix everything in, and look how beautiful this look at it. It's very nice guys, and tastes very good. I wish you guys could taste it, but unfortunately this is a camera and I'm filming. If you live in Delaware, you can come and visit and have some of this. All right, thank you so much guys. I know I'm talking too much, right? Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.